Hello everyone, Soul here. Bit of a different video, eh? Um, Went to the library to do a little project. I wanted to record it too, but, well, it didn't work out because the library's closed. So, now I'm just walking, and hopefully it's a vibe. We'll see when this comes out, not too sure. Just last week there was some events nearby. I believe so. I never actually really explored the park, not gonna lie. It does seem kind of boring, like it's just a field. Nothing much to it. But I think if you were like a dog owner, it'd be vibes, right? Never owned a dog. I believe so. I think my parents did when I was little. I was a little baby, not knowing how to handle that thing. You know, kind of feel bad in hindsight. Kids don't, we don't really, I don't want to say we, not a kid anymore. I would hope so. Blah. Sorry. There's a lot of movement. I'm trying to, but I'm walking as I'm recording, so I'm curious as to what this is actually, which is why I'm walking to it. So it's something to like put your doggy stuff, the doggy dookie. No, it's in case you wanted to charge your phone. How interesting. Alright, well, let's continue. What do I want to talk about? I guess we could do labels and words and like culture and stuff. We kind of can't help about, the world we're in. For instance, I'm a pasty white boy, but I don't really feel like I'm too culturally tied to my heritage, right? I don't, I got Irish blood or maybe German, some other stuff, lots of stuff, really. I feel like I'm a white mutt. Wow, big old field. I wonder if they just don't manage this, or is this not part of the park or whatever. Yeah, but as a result of me not like resonating with any of my heritage, quote unquote, I kind of feel like I don't have a culture. But as a white people, as a white person, we really tend to take what other people have done and just proclaim it or whatever. But I guess it is like a big old cultural melting pot. I was told earlier, like, the main problem is just like, whoa, I never seen this before. The big problem about it is like black or whomever you are, if you are a minority, you may not get recognition for just doing the things that you do, and then like a white person could just copycat, and suddenly they're hot shit. But before, it was undignified for someone else to do that. By someone else, I mean a minority. I'm usually really nervous about water. I mean, I'm not the best of swimmers, and where I grew up, that crap was dangerous. You never know what's in there, but it would be fun to fish and whatnot. I've kind of wanted to get, the vibe of living off the land. I guess it's just a little river next to the park, I guess. Look at that, it's a view. Let's get that sun in there. Oh god, flashbang. Whoop. Jesus. I might get a little toasty. Hopefully not too much. I do not want to deal with like some sunburn while working, for instance. Yeah, it looks like there's not really a path here, but I could get down. I'll try to. I have to be really careful. It's also not helpful. I'm filming this horizontally, which is like, damn. Gotta be honest, borderline uncomfortable. That water is beautiful. I don't know, is that... I don't know what it is, those circles. Maybe they're tires. If I was comfortable swimming in this, or swimming at all, it'd be cool to cross the river. See what's on the other side. Oh, look, a big old stick. Stick. Oh, let's toss it. Yeah, and, but it's so sad. Oh, a feather. You know, I really wish I had some sort of cultural identity, something bigger to, like, really be into. Yeah! That was not far at all. I love doing that and just seeing the ripples. Alright, let's, move on, I guess. Yeah. But I guess in a way, you know, I grew up on like a lot of single player games. There's some experiences that are really like, I feel like I could call my own, you know, or at least in the way that I experienced them. And that's nice. What is this? Is this a pallet? I think it is. What are these little bugs? What is that? Who knows? It's so sad to see people leave here. I've been tempted to like do something like help clean up and whatnot, but it really would be a lot of work, and the outdoors is not suited for me. But yeah. And when it comes to labels, you know, there's like a Vsauce video I might link below. Like talking about randomness, whatever it really is, and how us humans decided to deal with some things. You know, like the world really is random, and we just decided to tie words and labels and whatever have you to the world itself. So like, if you come up with something new, that is something to be labeled. But all this label crap can be a bit nuts. Like, what if you don't fall in line quite, right? What if you're not quite queer, not quite straight? What if you're not this, not that, not many things? Oh, sheesh. You just have a big issue just connecting. Oh, that's cool. I wonder, it looks like kind of like a sandbar. A little marsh or something in there. Shine. Probably really pushing these camera limits. Oh, look at that. I think that's... Oh, it smells like salt. That means, is it like proper brackish water or something? And look at that. Let's look. Bit of zoom. Oh. Can we... Like, this will take in more light, right? Or... I'm not good at cameras, yo. It looks like it's going quite fast. There is the sun. What's down here now? I need to get under that pavilion. I need a little sun break. I can already tell. I'm paranoid. Yeah. So, like, if you don't quite fall into quote-unquote line, then, like, you don't belong. I feel like I've always had issues with that. You know, I'm kind of a peculiar person, and I don't quite fit in neatly with many things. Not even stuff that's more inclusive. Where it's just rather strange how it all pans out in the end. You know, like maybe infighting within groups to decide what's what, what's this, and what's that. Like if you're truly, oh look at that, if you're truly doing these things the right way. Oh, that's cool looking. Is that like a dead tree? Who knows? We're gonna try and make it to, I believe that there's a pavilion down here. Yeah, and I guess I've kind of always just felt like I never quite belonged. But, you know, maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe that's for me to put my foot down and say, alright, who's with me? You know? Where it's like, eventually you just kind of have to be like, listen, you know? There's certain qualities that you see and you want to attract, and that's what you seek out. And I think that's good. Ooh, look at that guy. Oh my gosh. That's like max zoom. Alright. I'll let him be. Oh, looks like there's a little bridge over there. Interesting. This park's more interesting than I gave it credit for. Alright. I see a little... I think that's the closest pavilion, so... I'll go here now. Gotta cross the road quickly, because I don't want to get ran over. You know, and of the descriptors and the traits that like I really want to attract, I feel like I've been doing better at that lately. I've been kind of trying to trust my intuition more. It's very difficult. You know, it feels like that's kind of bashed out of you when you're a kid, when you're in school. It's like, oh yeah, you didn't quite perform right. You didn't do the academics the best. Or you're somewhat of a nuisance in some way. Interesting. Interesting. Guess I shouldn't stick around.